You are looking at selling your home, but there's one thing that's stopping you. Hesitation has you paused because you don't have a budget. You know that the days on market are longer in your area, and your home really needs to shine to be competitive in the marketplace, in the real estate market today. However, there are some really basic things that can be done without breaking the bank. We're going to go over some of these budget items, must haves, to where if you do not have the budget to renovate your home, put all this money into it, and you're really just having maybe even more month than money, I've got some checklists for you. I've got some simple things that you can do today that you will get you on your way to selling your home for optimal proceeds. Hi there, I am Melissa Shaw, and I have assisted thousands of clients list their home, take out the guesswork so they know exactly what they need to do by listening to their needs and really understanding what they're trying to achieve and bringing those things all together to really get them their desired results. So here goes. Here's some things that I, as a real estate professional of over 2 decades, would really, really focus on if I was in your shoes in the market that we are in today. Number one is curb appeal. It only takes just seconds, under a minute, 30 seconds for a potential buyer to form an opinion of your home. So number one, I would focus on curb appeal as your first priority. That could mean it could involve some labor, but you could pressure wash entryways, doorways, maybe a fresh coat of paint on the front door. But curb appeal would be one of my number one things that you should spend the time and money to do in materials. Another thing that I would focus on is functionability. So buyers tend to really notice when things aren't working properly when it comes to electrical, when it comes to plumbing, heating, cooling. So getting your systems serviced and updated. If there's a light bulb out, change it, because you don't want those question marks running around in a buyer's mind about, oh, does that not work because there's an electrical issue, or is the light bulb out? So removing any question marks that are nominal on the budget is definitely a recommendation. The other thing that I would recommend as a big selling point as far as getting your home ready to go to market would be really just keeping it neutral and clean. Have it professionally cleaned, have the yard just maintained and touched up, get away with the weeds or the overcrowding and just cut some things back. Make sure that your spaces are clean, it's decluttered. The less on the floor that you can see, the less on the countertops you can see, the better. Will actually be one of the highest returns on investments that you can do as a homeowner getting ready to put your home on the market. So here are 3 things that you can do if you're on a budget that you can run through your mind in a checklist when you're getting ready to put your home on the market. Number one is tackle any obvious repairs. If a buyer is walking through your home, they are looking for things that are going to cost them money. They're going to walk through and they're going to go, I have to do this. I have to do this. I have to do this. We want to minimize those thises. So tackle anything that you see that may be considered deferred maintenance or any obvious repairs that are needed. Number 2 is refresh instead of renovate. So maybe in the kitchen, you could paint some cabinets or change some hardware instead of replacing cabinetry and countertops and things like that. So when you're looking at your home, think, how can I refresh this instead of renovate this when you're on a budget? And the third thing is before you undergo any type of major remodeling, always, always, always check with your real estate professional, because they are going to weigh in whether it is going to be worth your return on investment, if it's necessary, or if you're just wasting dollars. So if you found this information helpful and you'd like more of a tailored approach of a home enhancements list that's tailored to your needs specifically, simply just click the link below. I've got you covered, and I will steer you and guide you in the direction of what you truly need for your next move.